everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is how to make a paper lantern. Take any color paper. Here I am using red paper. Fold it as shown. Cut it into half. Now take the measurements of 1 centimeter. Now start cutting the strips as shown. You can also fold the paper and cut the strips using scissors. Now fold it into half. Fold the edges using scale. Now join both the ends and stick it with the glue. Now make the folds properly and make it all even. Now fold the paper as shown and cut the strips using scissors. Stick the strips using glue. Now decorate the lantern using decorative laces. Do the same for both the sides. Now stick the string on the upper side as shown to make it hang. And that's it for today, guys. Your paper lantern is done. Do recreate this DIY and post it on your social media using #Diwalog by OddMix. Also tag us to get featured on our Facebook page and Insta handle. If you like this video, please make sure that you give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. Till then, bye bye.